Hey guys, it's Jade, and today I will be unboxing these cute Disney Snackles today. I found these at Target, and these are the little different ones you can get. You can get Stitch, Dumbo, Mickey, Minnie, the little alien guy, Olaf, Winnie, and Sully. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to open. Let's try this side. Okay. This is the first one. Oh, how cute. So we got Minnie. And she's holding like this cute little cake. This one is so cute. I'm gonna just put her right there. Let's open this. Okay, so it comes with a sticker and like a little card. And then it does come with the checklist. So we got Minnie. Okay. Here, we'll just put her to the side here quick. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, we got Sully from Monsters, Inc. This one is really cool. He's holding like an ice cream cone. This guy is really cool. So put him right there. And then I'm guessing this is like the other one. Just will come with the sticker and the checklist. I'm going to put some of these off to the side so I can fit these guys a little bit better. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, we got Stitch. He is really cool. He's holding like a coconut. This one is super cute. I really like him. We'll put him right there. Okay, open this one next. Okay, just get out the trash. These ones are always so hard to open. Okay, finally got it. Okay. Oh, this one's Mickey. This guy is really cool. He's holding a hot dog. He is really cute. Put him right there. Move this so we have more room. Stitch slowly, and then maybe. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, so we got Winnie the Pooh. He is so cute. So this is the one I actually was wanting out of the different ones. So this one is really cute. I'm so glad I was able to get him. So now next one. Alright, here's the next one. Oh, this is cool. So this one is Olaf. And he's holding like a little hot cocoa, like with a little 2 marshmallows on top. So this one is super cute. Okay, put Olaf right there. There you go. Now I am going to pick my favorite. They're all so cute, but I think my favorite one has to be Winnie the Pooh. I just absolutely love Winnie the Pooh, and he's just so cute holding his little jar of honey, and just, it's adorable. So yeah, so comment down below which one is your guys' favorite, and thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!